Hello guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to get unbanned in Gorilla Tag game. I'll show you two methods, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First way is uninstall the app and reinstall. If you don't get unbanned, then I will show you the website. Open the Google Chrome. And search Gorilla Tag support. Here you can get unbanned. Select and you see ban appeal. You can appeal here and your account will unban. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe my channel, like my video.